Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the Ride on 2 Garage. I am Chris, and today we're going to find out what's in that box. Cue the music. As you can see, we got a new motorcycle lift table. Not a whole lot of assembly required. Just gotta put the front wheel chock together, put the ramp on the back, and the pump for the hydraulic lift part. And that's about it. It's pretty well assembled right out of the box. Well, I can tell you right off the hop, first downfall of this lift is there's nowhere to tie down. We have to go right over the edge, I guess, but that gives it somewhere to slide. So this lift table was bought at Princess Auto, and I can tell you right out of the box, two major cons that I've found already. Number one, the tie downs, and number two, I cannot get the pneumatic lift to work at all. You can hear it pumping away, and it just doesn't lift the bike at all. And this is probably the lightest bike I have in the shop, and this lift is supposed to be capable of 1,000 pounds. This thing ain't nowhere near 1,000 pounds. On the plus side, the foot pump works really good, and it lowers the bike at a nice steady pace. The front wheel chock is, I wouldn't put a very heavy bike on that one. I wouldn't trust it the best. It's kind of light steel for, if you had like a gold wing on there, it'd be sketchy. But for this bike, it's more than enough. Another pro I would say would be, it's easy enough to move around the shop. That part's pretty good. I was hoping to maybe fasten it down, but I don't think I'm gonna. This bike doesn't have the longest wheelbase, but as you can see, I got plenty of room back here for a longer bike, which is the one sitting behind it. It has a longer wheelbase. It'll be going on right after this one's done. And then I think there's still plenty of room for that. And it does have this little hole right here that you can, like when you lift your bike up, you can drop your tire. If you need the room to get the tire down and out underneath a fender on something like the other bike over there, which we'll see in the future. So would I recommend this table? Well, for the price I paid for it, absolutely. Because I bought it on their sale price. If I had paid full price for it, I'd be like, did I get a good bargain? Barely, I would say it's barely worth their full price. But I don't really have a comparison for like, I've never owned one that's like double the price is what they usually go for. So as far as a cheaper one goes, you can't go wrong with this one. If you bought this on the sale price, I would say you got a great deal. Well, there you have it. Thanks for tuning in to Ride On 2 Garage this week. Just a quick little video for you. Hope you liked it. Hit that like button. Help me out. And remember to find me on Instagram at ride_on2. I'm also on Twitter as iRideOn2. And of course, I'm right here on YouTube at Ride On 2.